Tá ceithre héasar an.
There are 4 seasons:
An tEarrach,
spring,
an samhra,
summer,
an fór,
autumn,
an gíomhre.
winter.
Seo mí mórta.
This is March.
Cad a rinne na páistí an dara lá is fiche do bhharrta.
What did the children do on the 22nd of March?
Bhí na páistí ag siúl faoin tua.
The children were walking in the countryside.
Cad a rinne na páistí an tríú lá is fiche do bhharrta.
What did the children do on the 23rd of March?
Bhí na páistí ag rathíocht faoin tua.
The children were cycling in the countryside.
Cad a rinne na páistí an gathru lá is fiche do bhharrta.
What did the children do on the 24th of March?
Bhí na páistí ag rith faoin tua.
The children were running in the countryside.
Cad a rinne na páistí an gúigú lá is fiche do bhharrta.
What did the children do on the 25th of March?
Bhí na páistí ag immert pelle.
The children were playing football.
Cad a rinne na páistí an séú lá is fiche do bhharrta.
What did the children do on the 26th of March?
Bhí na páistí ag immert kisfelle.
The children were playing basketball.
Cad a rinne na páistí an seachtú lá is fiche do bhharrta.
What did the children do on the 27th of March?
Bhí na páistí ag immert etsfelle.
The children were playing volleyball.
Cad a rinne na páistí an 8ú lá is fiche do bhharrta.
What did the children do on the 28th of March?
Bhí na páistí ag omans.
The children were hurling.
Cad a rinne na páistí an 9ú lá is fiche do bhharrta.
What did the children do on the 29th of March?
Bhí na páistí ag marcíocht.
The children were horse riding.
Cad a rinne na páistí an tríchadú lá do bhharrta.
What did the children do on the 30th of March?
Bhí na páistí ag snámh.
The children were swimming.
Cad a rinne na páistí an 1ú lá is trícha do bhharrta.
What did the children do on the 31st of March?
Bhí na páistí ag immert leadóga.
The children were playing tennis.